This video will walk you through the login process to access your SOAR account. First, navigate to SOAR by visiting the library's website at www.ivcc.edu/library and click on the SOAR icon. Next, you will navigate to sign in on the top right corner of the page. If you are a member of IVCC, for example, a student, faculty, or staff member, you will select IVCC Login. If you are a community member, you will select Visitor Login. First, I will demonstrate an IVCC member login. You will be directed to choose if you are a faculty, staff member, or student. Once you select who you are, it will take you to your IVCC email login page. This will log you into SOAR, and throughout your browser session, it also keeps you logged in to view our databases of articles, journals, videos, and more. However, it does not log you into your actual IVCC email account. If you are a community member, you will select Visitor Login. This will take you to the generic SOAR login where you will put in your 14-digit ID number located on your community borrower card and the password the library has set up for you. If you have not gotten your SOAR password set up, please contact the library to create one. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this session.